I have a former student, probably about 10 years ago. When he came here, he was sentenced here because he was doing very poorly in public school, and his dad was at his wit's end. And they took him here, and he was of the Sikh religion. And when he came here, he didn't want to be here at first because he was sentenced here, of course. But after being here for the first year, we noticed a change in him. And when he was a junior, he told me, Miss Patterson, I want to be baptized. And when he queried from his dad said, well, you know, any school that could change my son from what he was doing in the public school to this can do anything with him. And he was baptized here. Today, he's a very, very successful businessman. And he comes every day to tell us, I thank you. And that has really affirmed, that God is in this. And with him, all things are possible. So I would say to all who would like to be a part of this, that at Greater, for example, we have God is a sovereign teacher. We have very caring staff, and people are passionate about what they do. And we have a rigorous academic program that is second to none. So we're giving the best of both worlds.
Your child belongs in an Adventist school. Contact the Greater New York Conference to learn how you can support our schools.